Hi guys, let's Roblox again. And my language for a day, guys. Filipino language for a day, guys. And let's go to Roblox. What's your favorite game? Me, Roblox. This is my friend, guys. Akira, Ginga, 2030, Narama, Smash, Isme, Alas Dos, Koi Koi, Noy Noy, Lana, Zipper, at saka si Rock. Ang lalaroin natin guys ay wait lang guys, wala pa akong isip. Ano kaya pwedeng malaro? So guys, ito ang lalaroin natin. Hold You Rather Avatar Tower. Oh, that's me. Why that is my avatar? Woo! Oh my god, jump. Ooh! I like this. This game, it's for girl. I'm gonna live. Ano ba yan? So, pwede po tayo mag-Tagalog and English. So, ang totoo ko pong language ay English. Ay, Tagalog po. Ano kayang pwede malaro? Ang Body Prison. Pag na yun, si Baby Bobby na lang. Baby Bobby. Yun. Ito guys, ang lalaroin natin. Escape Baby Bobby Daycare. First person of play. Oh my god. Oh, Baby Bobby. Oh my god. Sino to? Hello. 10. Press the button. Oh my god. Oh. What is that? Run. Why I'm run? Oh my god. So guys, Tagalog pala tayo na. Si Baby Bobby. Tara na guys. Ano yun? Riko, mama. Nandito sila guys. Jump. Yeah. Follow me on TikTok. Name, it's me, Eros. Oh my god, the airplane. This guy is just a fraud. Oh my god. Ow. So, okay na guys. So, pwede na pala tayo mag-English. at mag-Tagalog. Ano ba yan? Pinahirapan pa ako. Button. Ano to? Oh my God, oh my God. Parehas kami natalo. Oh man. Tara na guys. Usog-usog. Talon. Ayun. Kaya natin. Jump! Aray ko, ma'am. Jump ulit. Jump. Aray ko. Guys, kita yung nanalo. Oh my God. Hala, si baby Bobby. Ano ba yan, guys? Kailangan na natin gamitin ang superpower. Jump! Isa pa, jump! Jump! Hala guys, nandun yung, basta ano nga tawag dito guys? Hala guys, ginagaya niya tayo. Tara na guys, oh my God, Hulog pa tayo guys. Aray ko, mama ko. Kung gusto niyo makita account ng papa ko, guys, ay ng mama ko pala. Kendrick Eros Ipalcantara pangalan. Search nyo lang. Tara na guys. Aray ko. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Sisyo. Ha 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 ha. Bumaba na kayo. Bilang kong 5, sabi ng kotse. Ha 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 ha.
What did you say? Say that again. As long as you let Wujiko, I'll do anything.
Kaya niya ba kung gayahin? Ano ba yun guys? Talaga tayong nahulog. Talaga tayong naglug-lug-lug. Ay nahulog. Lug-lug. Ano ba yan guys? Di natin ang pindot yung jump.
The main character runs away. How's the ceremony supposed to go on? So you're the one back. Yes, you're the one.
Pag 10 minutes na guys, tapos di pa rin tayo nanalo. Ayoko na. Tatapusin na natin ang vlog guys. Ayun guys. Ayun. May marshmallow. Muntik na tayo dun guys. Aray ko. So guys, gabi na nga pala sa amin. Sa inyo, gabi na ba? Sa amin, kasi gabi na eh. Comment ko kayo kung anong oras nyo to napanood. Ano ba yan guys? Wala na tayong pag-asa. 8 minutes na tayo naglalaro. Ayun guys. Aray ko. Hulog na naman tayo. Galing na. Andito na tayo.
Professor Kim is upset. Can you bear the consequences?
Lolong.
It's already here.
Jump.
Did you say? He's here already?
Yung isa ko guys, yung isa kong account guys sa TikTok, yung nagro-Roblox yun ako, Eros Gaming pangalan.
Isn't he right here?
Galangan natin dito guys, kasi guys mapuputol yung
Are you
ano.
insane? Everyone knows Uji
Jump.
is impersonating my idol. His lies have been exposed.
Kinabahan ako guys.
Is that
Jump
so?
ulit. Ala guys, aray ko.
Jung said so.
Tauntog tayo.
With Professor Kim. How could he be lying?
Jump again.
But it's only because Miss
Akyat
Cat
tayo guys.
Mr.
Akyat
Jung,
ulit, aray ko.
you just
Talon pala, talon.
Miss
Kaya
Cat.
pala tayo nahulog kasi nagkamali ng sabi.
Miss Cat, she did.
Sino yan?
Jesus.
Uy, mama, ayoko na mama. Sino yan, mama?
It's because Miss Kang told us to keep a low profile. That's why we hid her identity from the public.
Hi, baby Bobby.
You ruined everything.
Kakagulat naman.
So you can
Dundahan lang. Takbo tayo.
Weren't you acting cocky earlier? Even with me here, you're still threatening to kill Uji. Come on, bring it on.
Ayan na siya, guys. Mama, mama.
Papa! That means the contract will
Hala, guys. Takbo, takbo, takbo. Run, run, run. Takbo, takbo.
What are you laughing at? I've never seen anyone this stupid before.
Ang bagal niya, guys.
This was Miss Kansas.
Papa! 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 Hala, wag ka puro papa. Gigigil na ako sa'yo. Kailangan ko tumakas. Sorry, baby Bobby. Kailangan ko talaga tumakas. Hoy, paano to? Paano to? Matayaw, guys.
That's because I deliberately had you. Isn't even your
Hala, guys. Di talaga natin ito matatapos.
see just how extraordinary the
Hala, guys. Lagpas na pala tayo sa tent. So, guys, kung nag-enjoy po kayo dito sa
This is possible.
video ko, pwede po paki-like, subscribe, and share, and like. Ayun lang po, guys. And pa-subscribe na yun po. Bye! Thank you for watching.
Pour his heart and soul into the new. Gusto mo na ng movies sa online na libre lang?